Welcome to PLANETA 3D for best 3D printing solutions. PLANETA 3D provides a comprehensive solution to implement STEAM education. PLANETA 3D offers 3D printing lab setup for school, college, and institute. Also helps and supports them to set up STEAM lab under NITI ATAL Innovation Mission. There are 3 modules in which we offer setup lab. Let me share with you module number 1. We have wide range of 3D printers, right from small size to giant size, which are used in industry. In module number 1, we provide 3D printer as per the requirement. We also provide training to operate the supplied 3D printer. With 3D printer, we also supply the raw material like filaments and resin liquids as per requirement. Now let me share with you module number 2. In addition to module number 1 with supply of 3D printer and raw material, in module number 2 we provide with few of the possible STL files which are related to educational 3D models. We provide them in form of links from which they can download and use them to make 3D models. Also, we provide training of 3D designing software, a beginner's level, which is based on invitational basis. Let me share with you module number 3. Module 3 is an offline plus online platform containing ready-made scenarios, materials, and teaching aids. A comprehensive solution for schools that are looking to implement STEAM education using the latest technologies and tools in their curriculum. We know that introducing a new tool into the daily routine of a teacher is quite an undertaking. Obtaining the knowledge and mastering the required technical skills for operating the equipment takes both time and commitment. PLANETA 3D, in association with its partners, is here to accompany teachers during this process, providing them with the necessary knowledge and assistance in order to overcome the first obstacles. For this, a series of webinars for your staff is arranged. Lab setup components for module number 3 are online platform for teachers, 3D printer, educational 10 robots, 10 construction kits, attractive teaching aids, 3D modeling programs, programming tools, 3D models library. So to sum up, 7 physical products, 1 3D printer, 2 online platforms, 2 CAD tools, 4 programming environments, 1 app, and 3 desktop programs are provided. Educational tools and materials that can be used for at least 8 subjects, like information tech, mathematics, technology, physics, chemistry, biology, geography, and helpful and early school education. Complete system develops a passion for learning. Its main focus is on learning through experimenting and creative problem solving. We show that science is fascinating and not limited to pages and textbooks. It's easier for students to absorb all the knowledge because STEAM education involves all of their senses in getting educated. Educational tool is loaded online and filled with a rich set of materials, lesson plan, multimedia presentation, worksheets, outline, instructions, or 3D models are also linked to selected lessons which can be downloaded from 3D model library. STEAM Lab's magic starts in the classroom, where using modern technologies and tools, students can discover the secrets of science. Classrooms filled with teaching aids, educational robots transferring the theoretical into the physical, development of manual skills, increased focus of young kinesthetics, and above all, a passion for learning and involving students in the process. This is how education of tomorrow looks today. Summarizing. Module number 1 is supply of 3D printer and raw material. Module number 2 is supply of 3D printer, raw material, few 3D files, and invitational training of 3D designing. Module number 3 is complete package of hardware, raw material, curriculum, teaching tools, training, i.e. everything related to STEAM education. And best part is it's all on online platform. So students can learn from home also, and teachers can teach from anywhere, preparing everything online from ready-made content provided. Let me know in which module you are interested for your educational institute. Contact now. PLANETA 3D. Visit us on www.planeta3d.in, email on planeta3d.india@gmail.com, call or WhatsApp on 836-926-7057, 836-931-2730. Follow us on Insta, FB, YouTube Planeta_3. Please do like video. Press subscribe button. Share video to your known and concerned people. Thank you.